2 Grove Collaborative shipments. So if you want to see what's in the boxes, don't go anywhere. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. I have 2 shipments from the Grove Collaborative, my April shipment and my May shipment. I've just been so busy that I haven't even been able to open up my boxes yet. So I wanted to go on camera today and just share with you what's in my April and May shipments from the Grove Collaborative. Before I get started, I just want to say that this video is not sponsored, but I have been a member of the Grove Collaborative since about the middle of last year, and I really love their cleaning products, and that's pretty much all that I use when I do my household cleaning. So let's go ahead and start with the April shipment, and let's go ahead and start with the first product. I ordered the Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner in the Wildflower scent. And this is my first time trying the Wildflower scent. So they have different scents, you know, for their products, but I've never tried the Wildflower, so I'm excited about trying that. Next in the box is one of my favorites. It's the Lavender scent dish soap. And I love that lavender scent. I love the dish soap and the hand soap. The lavender scent is actually one of my favorites. Oh, and I got the Grove Wildflower Evergreen Dishcloth. And that's what that looks like. And it's got the wildflowers all over it. And it's a pack of 2. It's the Wildflower European Dishcloth. Okay. So let's see what it says about that. Less waste, more clean. It says that you can simply pop them in the dishwasher to easily disinfect. So, that's interesting. All right, so I'll give these a try. I have my Wildflower Tea Towel. This is so cute, you guys. Let me open it up so you can actually see what it looks like. It's got the wildflowers on it too. All right, so this is the tea towel or dish towel. Isn't that cute? And it's got the wildflowers all over it. That's nice for spring. I should have opened this box up when I first got it in April. I could have been using my little dish towel, having it on display in my kitchen, but that's really pretty. I like that a lot. All right, so that's the dish towel. And then you've probably seen this in other videos. I know I have seen this, the Grove's Glass Laundry Dispenser. And when I saw it in all the other videos, I knew that I wanted to try to get it with one of my, on one of my next shipments. So I finally got it. And go ahead and unpack it. And here is what it looks like. And it's glass. And that's, you've probably seen it before. And I'm sorry about not having good lighting so you can see it, but it's got the Grove Collaborative on the front. And then you can put your detergent into this dispenser, and it's got the Max line up here, and it just dispenses, you know, into the washing machine. But I like that, so I'm excited about using that. All right, so that is all for my April shipment, and then I've got the spring catalog. They included that in the box as well. I have the Peony scent dish soap. And I'd heard people talk about the peony scent before, so I decided to go ahead and order the peony scent and try it, because I always use the lavender. So I heard so many people rave about the peony scent. And I got another antibacterial in the Wildflower. Okay, so I've got 2 of these now. So I won't run out for a while. Okay, next up we have the Method Bathroom Cleaner, the tub and towel, and I really like this tub and towel cleaner. I use this a lot, so I like to stay stocked up on this as well. And then I have the Method Bathroom Cleaner in the Spearmint. So what I usually do with the bathroom cleaner is, I clean my sinks and toilet and everything with this, the outside of my toilet with this, and then the shower and tubs and everything, I use the tub and towel cleaner. So that's for the tubs and the towel and the shower. And then this is what I use for the sinks and for the around the toilet, on the outside of the toilet and everything. And that's in the Spearmint scent. Next up, we have the Antibacterial Toilet Cleaner in Spearmint, and that's what I actually clean the inside of the toilet with. I really like these cleaning products from the Grove, and that's all I've been using since I actually joined them last year, so I'm actually pleased with them. And then I have the multi-surface cleaner, also in the peony scent for spring. So excited about using that. I have my hand soap, yes, because I love the hand soap in the lavender scent. That is one of my favorites. So I keep that on my sink in my dispenser. I like to use that lavender scent. I got another Wildflower Tea Towel. I didn't even realize I have to look at my my packing slip, but I got another Wildflower tea. I won't take this one out, but there's a second Wildflower Tea Towel, so I have 2. So interesting. I don't know if you've seen this Mrs. Meyer's hand sanitizer spray, but y'all, I love this hand sanitizer spray, and I have the lavender scent. It's this little hand sanitizer scent, and I like to keep this in my purse. And you basically just spray 2 or 3 pumps in your hand, and rub them together, and that's your hands are sanitized. So I actually like this better than hand sanitizer gel. So that's in the lavender scent. So I really like the scent, but I like to throw this in my purse and keep it. So that's really great. I got another dishcloth. Interesting. Okay, so I've got 2 of these too, and again, they come in packs of 2. The dishcloth. So okay, now the last item I have is the Mint Lip Balm. So let me go ahead and let me show you the box here, the little packaging. That's the Mint Lip Balm. So let me go ahead and take it out. I've gotten this before, and this is what it looks like. And it's a nourishing lip balm with hydrating olive oil. And it's in the mint, and it has an SPF of 15. So there's that one. And I have another one that I've been using, and I was almost down to the end of it, so that's why I got another one of those. That's all I have from the Grove Collaborative today for this month. I don't normally get a big shipment from the Grove. They send you an email or text out like a week before your shipment goes out. And so I usually check and go online and check my cart and see what I have in the cart, and then I go ahead and delete items that I don't need or add something that I want. And so I usually don't get such big shipments, but I did for April and May, so I probably won't for June. But I do know that I want to try their shower gel. I saw Clarissa Coward of A Cozy Lifestyle. She did a product review recently on the shower gel, and I want to try that. So I will probably order a shower gel for June, and that's probably going to be it, because I pretty stocked up on all my cleaning supplies, and my hand soaps and what have you. Like I said, I don't really order a big shipment all the time from the Grove. I usually modify my cart and just order what I need. But if you're not familiar with the Grove Collaborative, I will go ahead and put a link to the website down in my description box below, so you can go and check them out for yourself and see if that's something you might be interested in. But thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I appreciate you so much. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing to Everyday Living. I would love to have you as a part of the family. Thank you again for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Be blessed.